7 Best Worm Drive Circular Saw. In this video, we are going to show you the best worm drive circular saw reviews. Product link provides on the description box. Number 1. Dual 7 1/4 inch worm drive circular saw. Power source, corded electric. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: 4 times better cord jerk protection, including durable magnesium foot plate, lightweight magnesium and aluminum construction, extra wide saw hook accepts materials up to 2 3/4 inch. Electric brake stops the blade after trigger is released. Number 2. Skilsaw 7 1/4 inch aluminum worm drive circular saw. Power source, corded electric. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: comes with cut-ready depth of cut system, including quick accurate depth adjustments. Integrated saw hook for safe rafter placement. Lightweight construction reduces user fatigue. 51 degrees bevel allows to complete a wide variety of cuts. Number 3. Skilsaw lightweight worm drive circular saw. Power source, battery powered. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: anti-snag lower guard provides smooth operation. 53 degrees bevel allows to complete wider variety of cuts. Lightest magnesium construction reduces user fatigue. 15 amp of power to rip through more lumber in less time. Cut system helps with quick accurate depth measurements. Number 4. Bosch 7 1/4 inch worm drive circular saw. Power source, corded electric. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: featuring a worm drive design, provides better comfort and control. Comes with an anti-snag lower guard, reduce user fatigue and increase productivity. Magnesium construction delivers a lighter weight. Number 5. Makita 7 1/4 inch magnesium hypoid saw. Power source, hand powered. 4.7 rating out of 5. Product specification: ergonomic and ease of use. Engineered for versatile power. Includes ultra-coated framing blade. Highly durable magnesium components. Engineered for a range of applications. Number 6. Skilsaw magnesium worm drive circular saw. Power source, corded electric. 4.7 rating out of 5. Product specification: relentless power and durability. Larger than any other life saw. Cutting 4x cleanly and efficiently. Designed by 15 amp dual field motor. Magnesium construction legendary durability. Number 7. SKIL magnesium worm drive circular saw. Power source, corded electric. 4.7 rating out of 5. Product specification: clean cuts through 6x and lumber. Durable magnesium die-cast foot plate. Magnesium construction reduced weight. Motor cooler to provide increased power. Largest capacity worm drive circular saw. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, click the bell icon and share.